In this video, I'll show you how you can set a custom status on Instagram. Right now, my custom status is making videos, and you can customize this status to anything that you want to say, and you can also add any emoji. So to do this, we can't actually do it inside of the main Instagram app. We actually need to go and open the Play Store or the App Store if you're on iPhone, and you need to go and download an app called Threads. So just search for it, you should see it. You need to go and download here Threads from Instagram. It's made by Instagram and it's run by Instagram. It's not a third-party app, it's owned by Instagram. So once you've downloaded that, you can go and open it, and it's going to give you some options here to 1, add close friends to your Instagram list, and 2, you'll be able to see other people's stories and different threads. Now you can see here at the top you have the option to create a status. So right now my status is going to my close friends, and my status is currently making videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on that, I'm going to delete my status, and we're just going to make another one here. So I'm going to click on your status, and this is what you would do, and you can then type in any status in this text bar here, and you can also add any emoji. So I'm going to type here test, and then I'm going to add an emoji. So you click on it, then you click the emoji icon, and here you can add any emoji. So I'm just going to add the piano here. Once you've done that, you can enable these buttons here to either notify close friends, or Instagram will automatically update your status when you move and when you do different activities. So for example, when you're out in a restaurant, Instagram knows your location, so they're going to put your status to eat him. Kind of weird, but yeah, that's the feature. I've turned both of them off, and then to post your status, you just click on the tick, and you can see your status will now be updated. Now your status is only going to appear for your close friends, so if you want to add new close friends, click edit here, and you can go down your friends list and add whoever to your close friends list. Once you've done that, once you've created your status, if you go back to Instagram, it will then update that status to whatever you've set. So that's how you can change your status on Instagram. I hope that video helped you out.